I mentioned, live in the Bellingham area. He's married to her husband, Lee, and among her three teenagers is a daughter, Heather.